Hi there, welcome to GoGo China. Today, let's talk about the essential apps you should install before traveling to China. We've grouped them into 4 key categories: VPN, translation, maps, and payment. First up, VPN apps. This one's absolutely crucial. China has internet restrictions, which means platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter aren't directly accessible. That's where a VPN virtual private network comes in. Think of it as a bridge that helps you cross over those digital barriers. We won't recommend specific VPNs here, but you can ask an AI assistant or check travel forums. If you've already found one that works well, feel free to share it in the comments. A couple of important tips. Make sure your VPN is fully installed and tested before you land in China. Install it on all your devices. Don't wait until you open your laptop and realize you can't connect to YouTube. Second, translation apps. When choosing a translation app, look for 2 things: support for voice and image translation, and the ability to work offline. If you're using an iPhone, the built-in Apple Translate app is great. Just make sure to download offline language packs in advance so you can use it without internet. For Android users, we haven't found a perfect app that supports offline voice and image translation, so we recommend installing Google Translate. It works well if you've got a VPN. As a backup, install Microsoft Translator or Hi Translate so you'll still have access, even if Google servers are blocked. Third, payment apps. China is almost entirely cashless, and the 2 must-have apps are Alipay and WeChat Pay. Make sure your bank card is linked and working before you arrive. Alipay isn't just for payments. You can also use it to hail rides, order food, and more through its mini programs. WeChat is not only a payment tool, but also China's biggest messaging app. It's like WhatsApp, but with way more features. If you make friends in China, adding them on WeChat is the easiest way to stay connected. We won't go into the details of how to use Alipay and WeChat here. We'll cover that in a separate video. Fourth, map apps. Besides your phone's default map app, we recommend installing a map, also known as Baidu Maps or Baidu Maps. These apps offer better localization, more accurate navigation, and smoother translations for travelers in China. And that is it. In the next video, we'll talk about how to use Alipay and WeChat Pay. If you want to learn more about traveling in China, make sure to subscribe and follow my channel.